Yes, party people. So now we're in Tangier. Oh, hold up, police. Mask. Woo. Woo. Yes, so that was a quick excursion there. So we're in Tangier. This one looks like a bank robber. Take that bank robber stuff off your face. Yeah. So now we're from Tangier going towards Tangier. But before we go to Tangier, we're going to go to Batakunku. So we're going to turn off, go to Batakunku. Hold it. Yeah. What, you don't speak? Huh?
No.
Speak!
I cannot speak.
The people of the world would like to hear what you have to say.
Hello guys.
Uh-huh.
Hello everyone.
Uh-huh.
We love you all.
That's it. Hello. Oh, she's a mechanic. That's good, man.
Hello guys.
Yeah. Speak normal like how she is. Don't do that.
I'm crazy, so please don't blame me, okay guys? Yeah, she's crazy, of course. Yeah.
Did you take your medication this morning?
Of course, I do.
You sure?
Yeah.
Did your mom give you your medication?
I like, wow, there are some cows.
Oh, you think we should get one?
Let's go home with one.
Okay, we go and kill one.
Yeah, we're on our way to kill one cow over there.
Pull up, boy.
Oh,
Pull
here
up, boy.
comes the owner of the cow.
Can I have one?
Yeah?
I want one.
Yeah, no problem.
Free.
Free?
Yeah.
Oh, you small?
No. I give you small.
Yeah, small, yeah.
$5 see.
Yeah, of course. How are you?
Good.
Have a nice stuff.
Ah, you have nice cows. Yes, I was trying to get a cow because I spoke to her mother and her father, and if anyone wants to marry her, the father told me that they've got to bring 20 cows to marry this one. This one here, you bring one goat. And she's all and she's all yours. One goat. Right? Huh?
Of course.
But when they bring one goat, they should bring one big wallet also.
No, 50 pounds.
50 pounds?
Yes.
Wait. One goat and 50 pounds. And you'll marry them?
Yes.
Hey.
And one ticket to go to England.
Ticket to go to England? Why England?
I don't even know.
What do you know? No. So why do you want to go to some place that you don't know?
I want to go there to make businesses
What businesses?
like chef, cleaning, cooking, washing, etc. Period. This guy can cook.
Yeah, but
She's a real chef.
but you can do that here.
No, here there is no businesses. There is no money.
So how come the Lebanese come and make money?
Yes, you know, we
How
are
come the
different from them.
No, it's not different.
No.
They're not different. They're human like you. So how come the Lebanese can come and make millions every week? The Chinese make millions every week.
Because they have it. You
The
know, for me,
Indians-
I'm poor. I'm from poor home.
But
My mother is poor.
Do you want me
My
to tell-
father is poor. I am poor.
do you want me to tell you?
Yes.
99% of Chinese that come here are poor.
Yes, I know.
So you have more money than them.
Yes.
So no, you know, you see people think of reasons why they should go to Europe and not reasons of why they should stay in Africa. And that's the problem. Woo, look at the coastline. That's beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah,
The ocean. Oh my God.
that's beautiful. Man.
So beautiful.
So right ahead from here, let me give you all a little sneak view. That's the beach there. So that's the beach over there, Batakunku. And I'm gonna give you a little drive as you look at the coast. Hopefully you can hear me. Those trees over there, what do you call them? Ah, see? Thanks for showing me. Yes, so here. So you see there's a small garden over there. Yeah. A small garden. Another small garden. I don't think people doing gardening. I have not much duration. So hopefully you can see. So yeah, what you see over there is Batakunku Beach. Look at that bird. Orange. Wow. That bird is pretty. Oh, I gotta get this bird. Look at that orange bird. Wow. I don't see that bird. That was a nice bird. I've never seen an orange and grey bird before. It's a good bird. Huh? We're going to okay. Okay.
Yeah, it's very far.
Far from where?
From the road.
Yeah. So what's wrong with being far from the road? But you've never been down here before. You see, these are combo girls. All they know is combo. To the Gambia. To the Bunda. Bonjour. I know.
Finally.
Finally what?
Finally, we have Batakunku.
Ah, there you go. Batakunku Beach.
Oh, wow, so nice.
Ah, really? All right.
What do you want to do?
Wait, on the beach
Suzanne,
in Batakunku.
Yeah, that's the beginning of the Ah. Yes, go.
Yeah, Batakunku. The tide just came up. Come on, the people van.
Downstairs. Ha! Give us one.
These bush girls. Look at shells on the beach, man. So if you're into arts and crafts, you have all sorts of shells here. All sorts of shells. Wow. You could just come and collect shells upon shells. Hey, hey! Take my phone out of the sun. My phone is in the sun. Ooh, you want fish? Come. Look, we have fish. We got a fish for you. What, you don't want the fish? Look, the fish is there. Don't you want the fish? The fish is dinner. Okay, future YouTube star, hold the camera. I'm talking to the camera.
Hello guys. We're here in the beach. We're now in the beach. And that's the natural reserve, as you can see. The natural reserve in the Gambia, Africa. Yeah, I really like the water. It's so cute, and it's a feeling. I'm feeling. There comes over there the big tree. Here is just nice. Yeah, I just like the area. And it's cool, and also it's not noisy. This place is lonely and fresh air. There's a boat over there, as you can see. I don't know whether you're gonna see it. Wow, the sun. Yeah. We're giving thanks to the God, the Almighty, the creator of heaven and earth. Yeah, because of Him, we stay alive. And what He created, natural reserve. We got the best beach. Yeah, Africa got the best. Ouch! Something just bite me. Can you imagine? Yeah, and here comes this dog. I just found this dog here. And the dog name, I guess, Hey. That's the dog. And hello guys, what's popping in Gambia?
You speak like that. You speak about what's popping.
What's happening? What's popping in Gambia? Nang, nang. Kim na liya? Masati.
Huh?
You want to snap?
You want to snap?
Yes.
Snap what?
After you send it to my phone.
Look. So yes, we're on the beach. We're on the beach. So like I was saying, if you're into arts and crafts, there are hundreds of shells. Thousands of shells. Thousands. You can just come and just add clear coat to them because some of them are weak. Oh, some are, oh, they're actually strong.